Hello, I am Yogesh Sripati Mitkal, and today's date is 27 August 2021, and our today's video topic is what is the this and super keyword in a Java, and what is the use of that the keyword in Java. Now, the first of all, the super keyword is a access to methods of the parent class, while this is used to access the methods of the current class. So that's why the super keyword is used in the another class to access the previous class's methods, and these keywords which are used to access the methods of that class. So this is the difference between the this and a super keyword. Now first of all we are discuss about the what is the this keyword. This is a reverse keyword in a Java that is we cannot use as an identifier. So this is refers to current classes instances as well as the static members which are present in that the present class. It did not have a access for the another class. So this is in a this. There are some these keywords which can context are the given below are this is a refer variable of a current class, so that is in the it refers the variables of the current class and initiate the current class as a constructor. So this is the this and can be passed as a argument in the method call, can be passed as a argument in the constructor call, and can be used to return the current class instances. So these are the points to be in this keyword. Now the second one is what is the super keyword. The super is a reverse keyword in a Java, that is we cannot use it an identifier. So the super is used to refer a super class instances as well as the static members. Super is also used to the super class methods or a constructor which are present in that the previous classes. So this is the super class. Now the second one is the similarities in this and a super keyword in as the follows. The first of all, we can use this as well as the super anywhere except the static area. Example of the this is already shown above the where we use the super inside a public static void main string methods, hence we get the compile time error since cannot use them inside the static area. Now we can use this as well as a super in any number of the times in a program. So that's why there are no any restrictions for the using that the this both the codes. Now the second one is see the super can be used as a number of times. Note, if we use the this as well as a super a number of a times, but main things is we cannot use them inside the static constraints. So let us the consist of the this is the Java. No, there are the some flows and can, so there are the main topic is can we use both this and super keywords in the same constructor. In that an interesting thing is denoted there is a that the, according to Java guidelines, these are super keywords must be the first statement in the constructor block and be the first statement in the constructor block for it to be executed. So we cannot have them together in a same constructor as both need to the first statement in the block for a proper execution. So which is not a possible. Trying to it so would raise a compiler error. Now our we can get the error at that time, so we cannot use the this and a super keyword in a single constructor. So that's why the compile time error was occur in Java. Now this is the all about the this and a super keyword in a Java, the it is both of there are the main keyword in a Java constructor. So that's all about the uh, this and a super keyword in a Java programming language. So that's why. Okay.